Hi everybody and welcome to the channel. On a recent trip to North Carolina with the Bearded Lumber crew, I was given the opportunity to learn how to drive their backhoe. Now, part of what this channel is about is trying new things and enjoying new experiences, and this was definitely a new experience and trying something different. It was a lot of fun to work on, but I'm going to just stop talking about it right now and I'm going to show you guys the video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you know when I upload a new video. And let's get into it.
Okay guys, welcome to Solomon's channel. Third beard. All about doing manly stuff, outdoor stuff. Well, as far as I know, Solomon has never driven a big, talking about a big piece of equipment. This is a 2004 Caterpillar 420 IT. It's 100 horsepower, weighs approximately 22,000 pounds, plus this big set of forks on the front. We're going to drive around the yard to get for a minute, get the feel of it, and we'll take this trash bucket up here and dump out all this old wood. Don't be afraid to try different things. It's all a learning process. No shame in not knowing. Shame is in not being willing to learn.
Okay, so this one is actually a shuttle shift, is what it's called. That's your shift over there. You don't have to touch it. You got normal forward and reverse brakes and your throttle. Okay. This is your joystick to control everything up front. Pull it to the side, it rolls it up. Push it away from you, it rolls down. Okay. Push it forward, it goes down. Pull it back to you, it goes up. Okay. Roll this forward and it rolls your thumb forward. Roll it back to you and it rolls it down.
Okay. So we don't need that.
Not right now, you don't need it.
Okay.
We got your box chained in, so you're good to go. Put your foot on the brakes, reverse, it'll be catchy. And then just drive around the yard for a minute so you get used to it before we go up the hill. Yeah. Switching back and forth between the two, my brain goes for both at the same time so I can figure out which one needs to be done.
Yeah.
This one's this one is shuttle shift, that one's hydrostat. You control forward and backwards on that one when you flip.
Oh, really?
It's got a forward pedal and a back pedal. That's how they do hydrostat. It's just basically hydraulic fluid causing it to move.
Oh, that's cool. I'm good. This is easy.
Okay. Just start going up the hill. We're going to go into the hole.
Okay.
Even roll the thumb forward if you need to see where you're going. There we go. That'll make it a little easier now. And then just start making it in. We're going to keep it close to this That corner's already hot.
This corner?
No, that corner over there. You can see it's still smoking up there. That's where we're going to put it at. Push it away from you. Out. Push it down.
Yeah.
There you go. And raise it up a little bit. Just pull it up. There you go. All right, just roll it. Bring it back down. We'll turn around and go back down the hill.
Okay, Solomon's coming in to pick up this white oak log. Be our next subject on the mill. Let's see if we can help him out here.
Okay, Matthew, when you get a change, hop off. Try quiet command if you can. That's cool. Yeah. And just take it around over to the mill and drop it right outside the door.
Okay guys, let's go conclude Solomon's lesson on the big backhoe for this morning. We got several other things we got to get done. it takes a lot of confidence to jump on a machine that size. You know, it's a whole lot bigger than his pickup truck, and probably anything he's ever driven. So don't be afraid to try something new. I enjoy the content on Solomon's new channel. You know, he's extending himself, trying different things, and that includes stuff like this. Now, we're keeping him in a safe environment. Matthew's there to give him directions, not let him go too far to be unsafe. But there again, he's willing to try. Thanks, guys.
Everybody, that's going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun learning how to drive that backhoe. It's something I've never done before, and it may seem simple to some people, but for me, I never got the opportunity to do this, so it was definitely fun to kind of mess around with it a little bit under some supervision. I think if I was there pretty regularly, I would get pretty good at that, but that's okay. It was still something I got to do, and I really, really enjoyed it. So thank y'all for joining me on this channel. I really appreciate all the support, your likes, comments, your shares. They mean the world to me, and they help my algorithm. I'm really trying to grow this channel to become something really cool. So thank you guys for doing that. Again, I cannot thank you guys enough for all the support. I love y'all. Y'all mean the world to me, and I'm going to call this video done. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. And try to find the joy in life. Thanks for watching the Third Beard channel. Here's a video selection, and here's a playlist suggestion. Be sure to subscribe. Thank you.